In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep cut hydrangea fresh longer coming up. Welcome to I Love Ikebana. I'm Akemi Sagawa, Sogetsu Ikebana instructor. On this channel, I share with you Ikebana tutorials and practical tips for your making arrangements. With so many varieties of colors and shapes, hydrangea flowers are such a popular kind in the summertime. But have you often got disappointed only to find out that the flowers wilted the next morning? Isn't there a way to keep the hydrangea last longer? Let's experiment something. On Sunday morning, I cut out a stem of hydrangea that is blooming in my backyard. I prepare 3 small containers and fill them with water. I cut the first branch out of the main stem, cut the tip in the air, and directly place it into the container. From the same main stem, I cut out another branch. With the second branch, I cut the tip underwater. The same way, I cut out the third branch from the main stem. I cut the tip of the branch underwater. In addition, I apply alum, that food additive that you use for pickling and canning. I peel off the bark at the edge and put the white alum powder evenly. Wait a minute or so before placing it into the container. I have extra branch, so why not using it too? Ikebana textbooks say that alum does the trick for hydrangea. Does it really work? Okay, from the left, A, do nothing, B, cut underwater, and C, cut underwater and apply alum. They all look nice. It's Tuesday. Let's see how the flowers look. A, do nothing. Both flower and leaves look so sad. B, cut underwater. Looks sad too. But look at C. If you cut underwater and apply alum, they look so fresh. The textbooks were right. It's worth a little effort, isn't it? If you have any question or would like to know more about Sogetsu Ikebana, please write in the comment area down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.